Now this is happy news for all of us here in Cinema News. Our very own host Bianca Gonzalez gets to be the recipient of a surprise proposal from her boyfriend and now fiancé, JC Antal. Bianca got the shock of her life when her boyfriend of 3 years, basketball player JC Antal, proposed to her early Thursday morning at the airport. Through the Instagram posts of Bianca's friends and JC's family, they shared that as early as 4 in the morning, they were already at the NAIA Terminal 2, bearing roses and waiting for Bianca. From the videos, one of their friends led Bianca to the counter where some staff were holding a banner with the message, "Bianca, please say yes." Then JC came carrying a bouquet of flowers. And upon reaching Bianca, he knelt on one knee and brought out the ring, then said the magic line, "Will you marry me?"
I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me?
In one of their very rare interviews together, Bianca and JC revealed in the podcast The Bro Show that although they both came from the same university, it was not yet the right time then. The official meetup only happened 3 years ago, 2011, through Bianca's friend who is also JC's aunt. JC then didn't waste the opportunity, hence their first date. The two became official while on an out-of-town trip, one of their favorite hobbies as a couple. Bianca and JC also shared some of the things that they loved about each other. Through their Twitter and Instagram accounts, we've been a witness to their support and affection for each other. In their posts, we can see them in their constant travels together, Bianca supporting JC's games, JC promoting Bianca's latest project. And their love for each other brought them to this new chapter in their lives. Exclusive to Cinema News, JC shared how he arranged this special moment for Bianca.
Just leaving for London kasi yesterday and naisip ko mag-propose. So timing din na paalis siya. So naisip ko why not sa airport. Original plan was mag-propose ako sa car. Dapat ihatid ko talaga siya. And naisip ko once in a lifetime lang naman. So I asked my friends for help na yun, tulungan ako sa NAIA tuwin sa PAL. Tinext isa-isa talaga a week before or days before. And sobrang thankful ako kasi nag-yes sila kahit 4 a.m. yung meeting namin doon sa airport. And all for kasi of course love din si Bianca and support namin na nakuha. Grabe, sobrang overwhelming kasi hindi ko akalain na yun, makakompleto yung mga friends namin doon yung moment.
Straight from London, Bianca shared that she had no clue of the surprise JC was planning for her.
A week ago, we came pa from a big fight talaga. And the fight was my fault. Unang guard na itaas, dalawa sila. Bigay sila isang rose each. Yun naman, pag lusot ko sa extra, dalawa na naman na rose guy. On area, the 3 girls na naghihintay doon, they all had 1 rose each. So sabi, I kept on telling nga yung kasama ko, ano tawa mali? Ano tawa parang prank ko? Kasi ang weird. I checked in sa counter, may nagbigay na naman ng rose. And then even yung sa terminal fee bago mag-immigration, I got after the immigration, may isa, the last x-ray, may isa. And then I was waiting in the lounge na I took a picture pa of the roses. I messaged JC, sabi ko, "Hoy, may kinalaman ka ba dito? Bakit ako may roses dito sa airport?" Yun, that was it. Then, I just think of it, I just thought parang he planned something sweet kasi nga matagal lang wala. Until somebody na I had to go out to verify the girl na dapat may i-verify daw akong baggage. Bigyan ng star. It said, "Bianca, please say yes." Lalo pag-sobra. And then when I turned around, my best friends were there, JC's best friends were there. Wala na. Sobrang yung mukha ko talaga. Waterworks. Umiiyak na lang ako, so I don't really remember. He also said parang about how he accepts and loves kung ano man yung imperfection ko. And for me, grabe, yun yung best thing. It was everything that the the whole plan, the ring, the speech before he asked me, talagang beyond my wildest dreams. Grabe.
Actually, pagdating ko pa lang sa airport, on the way, sobrang lamig ng kamay ko, nanginginig ako. And hindi ako nakatulog the night na, alam mo yun, the next early morning kasi alam ko, yun na yun eh. And first time ko maramdaman na umikot yung chan ko. And pero when I'm about to propose, nakita ko naglalakad na siya, umiyak na siya. Parang natiri-eyed na rin ako. And pinigilan ko lang talaga, umiyak kasi daming taon. Pero yung moment na yun, hindi namin makakalimutan for sure. Of course, especially nandun yung family ko and our close friends. So it was priceless, really priceless.
Bianca shares that the moment was more special, especially with JC's family and their closest friends present at the airport.
My best friends, tatlo sila. Three of my best friends, JC's best friends, his three brothers and parents. Ate Lani was there, the wife of Kuya Alan. Si Ate Lani, si Che nga, the assistant of Ate Pia, and Jen. Jen is the wife of JC's best friend. And who happens to be sister-in-law din ni Ate Lani. So they're all there. Tumulong sila lahat. Grabe. In my head, I always parang envisioned na when it happens for me, quiet, kaming dalawa lang, or in a nice restaurant, yun lang talaga. It's different when they're there kasi parang ramdam mo na lahat sila supportive sa inyo, ramdam mo na lahat sila happy for you. It's grabe, amazing feeling. I think it made it super special kasi nga, hindi ko akalain na he will bring together my friend and his family, and lahat sila ina-update nila yung family ko on WhatsApp, sinesenda na lahat ng photos and videos. So, yeah, it was extra special kasi parang na-share na namin yung moment with our loved ones. Grabe. Sobrang out of factor talaga kay JC. I can't believe it pa rin.
JC also personally talked to some of the most important people in Bianca's life to ask for their consent before his proposal.
Of course, yung parents ko muna kinausap ko bago ko nag-plan talaga ng proposal, the whole thing. Next, yung mom niya, I called her mom kasi nasa States yung mom niya. And over the phone, I talked to Tita Ophel. The next, yung brother niya si JC. And yung ate niya si Aisa. So, sobrang supportive nila and very excited for us. And yun, hindi ko in-expect na ganun yung pag-approve nila. And yun, very, very happy for them.
Right after I said yes, ang una kong tinanong, oh my gosh, was my mom no? Again, it meant so much kasi naayos na pala niya lahat. Nakausap na niya yung mami ko, kuya ko, ate ko, all my friends. They had this one chat group na lahat sila nandun. The Proposal, yung title ng chat group nila.
After the proposal, everyone's waiting for the couple's next plans.
We haven't talked about it kasi syempre after that happened, I had to board the plane na. He mentioned that he was looking at this year. And yeah, we have to talk about this pa. If ever, yeah, why not? I mean, I said yeah. So, yeah. Sobrang surreal. I can't stop looking at it. Grabe. Yeah. Ganun pala talaga.
3 years of being a couple, thousands of miles traveled together, memorable moments spent with each other, and immeasurable love for one another. All these made for a relationship and partnership destined for forever.
Plano ko talaga noong December. But she left for San Francisco, and yung birthday naman niya itong March, parang sabi ko, dami rin gagawin ito ni Bianca. So, pinalipas ko na lang, parang hindi rin niya ma-expect. Ma-surprise siya kasi baka isipin niya paano ko, birthday niya. So, pinalampas ko ng konti. And timing, she's leaving for London. She left for London. Doon na nasa airport. Spending time with her almost every day for the past almost 4 years. And of course, we had our ups and downs. But Bianca has the biggest heart eh. Nakilala ko talaga yung tao, and of course, nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect too, but alam kong kaya ko yung, siguro hindi lang puro in love, but I felt na she was the one talaga, and I really prayed hard for this, and yun, it turned out naman na naging smooth yung proposal.
Alam mo, there's just chemistry or there's just a connection, ganyan. Si Mariel Termolo Padilla, sinabi ko sa kanya a few years ago, maybe 2 years ago, nung medyo bago pa lang kami. Kasi she kept on saying it about Robin. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya at the time, I think I found someone na masasabi ko yung sinabi mo about Robin. Mariel put it perfectly. She said that parang alam mo dahil he loves you the way you've always wanted to be loved. I can't ask for anything more. Parang I have no reason talaga to say no. I mean, it's actually what I said wasn't yes. What I said was of course. When I answered, I said of course.
We're so happy for you, Bianca. Enjoy your vacation there in London. And of course, we'll be waiting for more cuentos from you.